Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the exercise 5.3, the question number 4 from the chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression class 10 Maths. So you see the question is, how many terms of this AP 9, 17, 25 etc. must be taken to give a sum of 636. So you see in this AP, the first term is 9. So we can write first term A as 9. Then what about the common difference? Common difference D equals second term minus first term. So 17 minus 9 which is equal to 8, or third term minus second term, that also will give you 8, which is a common difference. Then the question is, how many terms of this AP must be taken to get a sum of 636? So sum is given as 636. How many terms? That is what we want to find out. That is sum of, we are taking n terms will give you 636. Okay, we are assuming that the sum of n terms of this AP will give you 636. So we want to find out that number n. So n needs to be found out. So here you see we have the first term A, we have the common difference D, we have the sum Sn. We want to find out the number of terms n. So we can use this equation Sn equals, or simply S equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See, we have already discussed about this equation in our previous video. So sum of n terms can be written as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the equation. So here sum of n terms, that is given as 636. So this is equal to n by 2 into 2a. A is 9. So 2 into 9, 18. Okay. Plus n minus 1 into d. D is 8. Alright. So this becomes n by 2 into 18. When I open the bracket, 8 into n, 8n. Minus 1 into 8, minus 8. Okay. So we can write 636 equals n by 2 into 18 minus 8, 10 plus 8n. Okay, now you see, if I take this 2 to this side, okay, goes to the numerator. So we can write 636 into 2 equals n into 10 plus 8n. Okay, so this is like 636 into 2 equals n into 10, 10n plus 8n into n, which is 8n square. Okay, so if you take this 636 into 2 to this side, that becomes minus. So we can write n 8n square. I am just writing this as the first term, 8n square plus 10n. We are taking this to this side, becomes minus. So minus 636 into 2 equals 0. Okay, now you see, if I divide all the terms of this equation with 2, I am dividing all the terms of this equation with 2. So this becomes 8 by 2, 4. So 4n square plus 10 by 2, 5. So 5n minus 636 into 2 divided by 2, 2 cancel. So 636 equals 0. Okay. So you see, we are getting one such equation, 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equals 0. So this is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Then what about x? X will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so here this n will be equal to minus b. That is b is 5. So minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square. So 5 square 25 minus 4 into a into c. So 4 into a means 4. So 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into c. C is minus 636. Okay, divided by 2a, that is 2 into a is 4. Alright, So we can write it as n equals minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus into minus plus. When you do this multiplication, you will get it as 10176. Okay, then all divided by 2 into 4, 8. So this will be equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 plus this value will give you 10201. Okay, then all divided by 8. So n becomes minus 5 plus or minus square root of this is actually 101. So 101 into 101 is this value, this number. So divided by 8. That is, this actually implies that n can have either the value minus 5 plus 101 divided by 8, or n can have the value minus 5 minus 101 divided by 8. So we can write it as n equals minus 5 plus 101 divided by 8 will be 96 by 8. Okay, minus 5 plus 101 will be 96 divided by 8. Then or n equals minus 5 minus 101. Okay, which is minus 106 divided by 8. Okay, so when you do this calculation, 96 by 8, you will get it as 12. N equals 12. Or when you do this calculation, you will get it as minus 13.25. Okay, so you see n, which is the number of terms that cannot be negative as well as that cannot be a fraction or that cannot be a number with a decimal place. So here we can consider this n value as 12. That is, sum of 12 terms of this AP will be equal to 636. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.